Hello and welcome back. If you've watched the first part, you already know I started building a metal bed frame here in my garage. Today we continue with part 2. I'll show you step by step how I mounted everything, what materials I used, and how much it all cost. Let's get started. Here, I'm preparing the headboard frame. It's attached to the main bed using 4 screws, which makes it sturdy but easy to disassemble if needed. Inside the frame, I added a piece of chipboard covered in black synthetic leather. I ordered this material online. I really like how it looks. It gives the bed a modern feel and a nice contrast. The central support leg is made from scrap metal I already had in the garage. At the top where it connects to the bed, I used a larger metal plate to improve stability. I wanted bedside tables with integrated wireless chargers, but the ones I found were too expensive. So I bought the tables and the chargers separately and installed them myself. It was pretty easy. I made a mess at first, but I fixed it with a bit of black spray paint. They turned out great in the end. I painted the frame using matte black spray paint. It was a cheaper option, and honestly, I'm not fully satisfied. It scratches easily. Next time, I'll use a better quality 2K paint. If you have any recommendations, let me know in the comments. The bed is built in 2 separate pieces. That makes it easier to transport and install. To connect the pieces, I used 4 fixing points. On the corners, I used threaded rods instead of regular bolts because of the tight diagonal space. All bolts are 10 millimeters thick. The center leg is not perfectly centered. I placed it slightly to the back for better balance. To avoid damaging the floor of the frame, I added soft foam pads under each support plate. I anchored the frame to the wall with 10 millimeter wall plugs. At first, I drilled the holes too close together, which might have cracked the bricks. So I spaced them out more and used only 6 fixing points. That was enough. I attached the nightstands directly to the frame. Not the best idea. If someone jumps on the bed, especially a kid, the tables shake. In hindsight, fixing them directly to the wall would have been a better call. To hide the joint between the 2 frame parts, I used white silicone, then painted over it. Black silicone or car body filler would have worked better. Next time, I'll keep that in mind. I also added an LED strip underneath to create a floating effect. At night, it looks awesome. And since it's motion activated, you don't need to switch on the lights when you get up. Here's the total cost of the project. Of course, you can build it cheaper or more expensive. It depends on your preferences. The mattress, bedside tables, or chargers can change the final price a lot. And here's the final result. Simple, modern, and fully functional. I built it using budget materials and leftover pieces I had in the garage. With a bit of patience and attention to detail, it turned out really well. The wireless charging and the LED strip are great additions that make it practical too. I hope this project inspired you. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY builds.